This is the Daily Note from JamesABrown.net. We used to have 3 rings of people in our lives. That's according to Derek Thompson of The Atlantic. We had family on the inside, our tribes or ideology on the outside. In the middle, our neighbors, the people at our barber shops or at the grocery store or at school board meetings. The village is where we learn to tolerate people who aren't like us. We disagreed with our neighbors about their lawns or politics, but we still waved at them. You helped them move couches. But that middle, it's gone today. And here's what I think. We used to learn tolerance from our neighbors. Now we learn contempt from algorithms. What do you think about this? Is he right or wrong? Let me know on JamesABrown.net. On that note, I'm James A. Brown, and as always, be well.